Access granted.
Hi everyone, I am Sagar. ನಾನು ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆದ ಏನು ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಲಿನಕ್ಸ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಅದನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಟುಡೇ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ a similar kind of box which is called as library. This is basically a boot root machine. In this machine we need to exploit the target using vulnerabilities which will be existing in this particular system. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ನಮಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ IP address ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. So I will use this particular IP to start the scanning. I will start the scanning now. T4A, let's wait for our scanning results. ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋ ಅಂದರೆ let's go to our browser. So let's check if there is any website hosted in this particular target. Okay, we can see here there's a website which is hosted. You can see here there are two ports. Nmap result ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ. We can see here there are two ports which are open, port 2022 and port 80. So port 80 ಅಲ್ಲಿ HTTPD 2.4.18. okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ robots.txt one disallowed entry ಇದೆ. So robots.txt directory ಇದೆ, sub directory. So let's go and check. So in this we can see rock ಓಕೆ. ಸೈಬರ್ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಕ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಒಂದು ಫೈಲ್, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಥರದ್ದು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಲೀಫ್ ಪ್ಯಾಡ್ ಯೂಸರ್ ಶೇರ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ rocket.txt. ಇದು ಲೋಡ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಹ್ಯೂಜ್ ಫೈಲ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ವೇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದು ಇದೆ rocket.txt. ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ರಾಕ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದೇ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ. ಈ ಸೈಟಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಸೈಟಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ರೂಟ್ www ಡೇಟಾ ಎನಾನಿಮಸ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರೆಂಚಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ 20 ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಯೂಸರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. So what I'll do it, I'll just copy it and I will just check the source page ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ. there's nothing much available in this page source. So what I will do is I will go back. I have the username. So we can see here port 2022 is open. So I will try to brute force. So I will use this particular user. I will use password file user share word list rocket.txt followed by the IP. And which port I am attacking, SSH. So let's wait a minute. Let's create a parallel. Let's add T4. Okay, let's wait. It will take some amount of time, so let's wait. So we can see here we have the password. For this user we have the password here. So we will be using this particular password to log in into the SSH. So we will use SSH LIODAS followed by the IP 10.10.5.50. so let's okay, we are into the machine. So this was successful. So we are in the user level. And next, what version is it running? Linux Ubuntu 4. okay. So we will go to the pwd. We are in the user folder. Let's try LA. Just cat it out the user flag here. So user.txt. So this is our user copy. So now ಇದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ this is the same EC6D. 6DEC. This is our user flag. Coming to the back.py. Let's see what is back.py. We are having root here, so back.py cat back.py. So a Python script is running in this. Sudo -l. So we can see here we can run this particular back.py without user password. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit this particular file back.py and put some kind of code to get a root shell. So what I'm going to do is, so we can see here this in root, and we cannot write, and we do not have any write permission in this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this particular file for now. Remove back.py. Yes, I need to remove it. Sorry. Remove f back.py. So we can see we only have user file here. So what I'm going to do is nano back.py. So I will just copy this line, which is the header path. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to use a spawn shell, Python spawn shell. Just Google it out, Python spawn shell. So let's wait. My internet is some kind of low today. So okay, we can go to this particular site. This Python one-liner code eniде. I will copy this entire thing here. Python eniде, we have already added this particular Python line here. So I will just copy it here. I will save it now. Not same name. Yes. So cat back.py. Okay. Back.py yes ಅಂತ ಆಗಿದೆ. So I will just change it. Back.py. So okay, we have the back.py here. So I will try to run this particular file now. What I will do sudo python followed by this entire path, home melodies back.py. So we can see here hash ಏನಿದೆ ಇದು ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ರೂಟಿಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ who am I root. So we can just go to root folder at root.txt. So yeah, this is our root folder. This is how we can solve a easy bootroot box. This is the end of the video. Yeah, thank you.